Hey guys, ninjani? Ngiphilile. Njengoba ningadi igama ngikanyeza ngithi and then ngite la ku TikTok into ngitshela ngenzaba yami neMoja Love. Ngendlela basenda ngayo iMoja Love idlalele kakhulu ngathi guys uma hlala entabeni into la ikhuluma ke maciniso yonke. Ayikho into lengaseliciniso so ningathi hayi amanga iciniso into la ikhulumako. Last year because bengisolo ngekho kulena kuMoja Love bangibizile futhi bathi bangidinga and then ma-talent amangidinga nemali kamaningi so bangidinga Moja Love bangiclock ngikuphi ngempilo and then ngabachazela ukuthi mina ngimove on ngempilo so ngimove on ngempilo impilo yami ichubekile nginemuntu ngihlala emzini wami like ngi-right la ngikhona nemuntu wami so bathi fune kushutha nami okay ngavuma nami because songini guys niyazini sifuna imali umsebenzi wami since ngicala kushutha nawe ishutha kahle so sashutha ubeza basayinisa ama-contract kwaba right savumelana ngendlela sivumelene ngayo solo look okay sashutha saqedza last season nami ngileya ye-engagement nale abantwana and then ne-miscarriage kuthi ngithole miscarriage so saqeda ukushuta lapho-ke last year ngithi say this year ngaboma April basibiza futhi and then saya ku-boardroom bathi fune sibuyele kushow basendela ama-contract wathi thina siyenza ngomnyaka vele yazini siyenza uyakubona so-shoot basidinga okay savumelana vele ibiyani lesami ngi-boardroom bathi ngize nomuntu wami vele ngeza naye uma ngekuthiwa yambiza ngeza naye and then kwaba right savumelana ngayo yonke into and then after basenda ama-contract nabasenda ama-contract nabayisenda i-contract akusasi main cast it's a supporting cast guys main cast to supporting cast kuye kwento yakuphi lokho and it's nesitering from ukudala sine-content ngiyazi ukuthi siya like sine-content ukuthi sijabulisa abantu so imali khona seyihlila ayisafani naye last year cabanga and then mina ngamthetho ngazi ukuthi now sign contract ngeminyaka yakhuphuka imali uthi nakhuphula ngini nabo bathola imali ngathi badla ngathi yonke indzawo so okay sayisayina ngavuma for ukuthi ndawo thini imali angithi vele ifune ngisebenze umsebenzi wami and umsebenzi wami bengithanda ebeyani benganamahloni ngawo whatever lebengenda bengijabulela okay bahamba iloyana inyanga sishuthile bona sashutha ngabiza ngashutha nogobela wami shutha nabantu abami umntwana wami nishutha bamvusela amanceba izinto lezenzeke ukuthi abusekile lebeka khona and then ngashutha nemuntu wami abumamezala nogogo and bonke labantu engishutha nabo bathembisa ukuthi bazobapha something bazohola nabo banigobela wami bamtshela ukuthi hayi nakuphela ilo kuzothoma kuzocala khole bonkanyisi and then inyanga yesithuku yohola wena cabanga ngisuse umuntu omdala sihambise so shutha sikuphi sikimisele nale tomdala inyanga honest truth okay I khambe imalanga ke maybe sengishuthe maybe ngathi bo 10 episodes sibizwe ofisini bathi nale senze khona wrong okay sabuke lo ke maseko athena ya yena amadoda thina sida namadoda eshowini ethu, ishow le yahle simehlisa sithune ngemadoda ethu, so amadoda ethu akafunakali. So thina sekubani ukuhamba emuva kwethu ekhuluma izinto eMoja Love, shothi bangafuni umuntu wami. And ngiyibona ukuthi hayi uyambona ukuthi uhlakaniphe, umuntu amhlakaniphile, and then ahlaniphile, so une content eningi, sine content eningi, and as fake guys, shootha i-reality, asifani nabanye ukuthi baya-fake ezinye izinto, thina shootha i-reality show. So hayi kwakhulunywa laphana bathi yana bazosifonela, nasiceda ukukhuluma bathi sizonifonela izolungiseka. Hayi sibuye ekhaya kuhambe emalanga man, kashuthiwe bashutha abantu. So la ngibuye ene umuntu bakhuluma i-producer yethu Jules athi ngizonifonela, angafoni. Ngithi ngimsendela message angiblutique, ngisendela le message angiblutique, abanginaki. Uthi ngalenye ilanga bathi hayi ushoot emlodo, hayi ngihambe guys, ushoot emlodo, okay kibe right ngibuye. And then sukusela lapho ke angasashuthi, bangasangibitene bese kusena episode lamancane ukuthi ngicede. Okay, ngibone i-video shows abayi-advertiser, and then ena angiveli ngishuthe kangaka, ngihluphe abantu bangaka ukuthi hayizini siyashuta, ngicela ukuthi sishutheni abantu abadala. Ay ngibone show siyadlala nakukhola nakholo, and then ngathoma sahola, and then manginika 8,000 yokucala, and then kwagcineka lapho ngathola imali. Ngathi sengiyabuta ngibethe ngifonela lo akabasaphenduli mafoni, afonela bendani, ngagcina ngasenda i-email lalaba cool from Moja Love, yahlala maybe email akona bo 5 days solo bangangiphenduli. Abuya bathi bona ya si lo yana i-contract yakhe iphelile. How iphela kanjani? Ngishuthile up my episode engashuthile, why angadlali kanjani guys? Bathi ayikho into le ngizoyithola ngamane ngiphambili because of ngisayine i-contract, ngivume i-contract kambe iphela ngoJuly njani. Yo sidlaliwe Moja Love guys, sidlalile. So ngizinto la angazi asazi ukuthi senze njani, so sifuna usizo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sende njani. Ibani kuningi because of iMoja Love idlala ngabantu baningi, abantu abakhalayo, abanye ibilani basho nabantwana basho, nalomunye nje bakusasa bamgcwaba. ngeMoja Love iropa abantu, yasiropa bathatha an-advantage because of thina sibofamjule, especially ngisho ukuthi maybe ngifamjule chat hayi alona ngikayenzawo lo, kodwa hlala nje so sikhathele guys, sikhathele kakhulu, isiropi kakhulu iMoja Love. And labanye basaba kuvela because of basaba ukuthi maybe ba-trustnisha, cause ungathi uyakhuluma batshela ukuthi hayi bazokubonisa, bazobona ukuthi benza njani, cause bakujwayele lokho. Ayikho umuntu esizokhuluma naye njengoba bachaza amahla into nazo ukhuluma naye bamblockini nokumblocker. So guys into le like sesikhathele, yes siyawufuna umsebenzi, so no lokwendeka akwendeki because of badlalile ngathi kakhulu guys. Yiko lesifuna ukuthi ngisharele kona, sibonisane ukuthi singenda njani, mara asihlala ngicethanga la sibhizi nge-life, aku-life ngiyangena bese ku-life nje kuseni. So ngisaya phambili no-broadcasting sako, so bengithi nje no ngitshele yona leyo kuningi guys, kuningi kakhulu, kuningi. So kwamanje ngiloko. Thank you.
Yeah guys, No man, wabona Ishland sokodisa, and that's why now tlamehile ke buele lona ke apere these things because I was busy. But it's fine. It's not about this. It's not about this. Okay. But guys, can you please stop calling me saying, hey, dealing with Moja Love. You don't have to worry about me. And if anything can happen to me, Moja Love is not God. There's nobody who is God at Moja Love. And I know that some of you have got genuine concern and all of that stuff, but don't stress, man. I know what I'm dealing with. I've worked at Moja Love. I know exactly how they operate. I know everything that they can do and more. Right? I'm not speaking this because I'm underestimating Moja Love. This is a Goliath and David situation. But however, as much as you know me as Bishop Julius, I'm not gonna keep quiet when injustice is happening with me and other people. You know, Abo Mahlanentabeni, Abo Nkanyezi, Zinja, all of these other guys. Yeah, Vela, we have a group. Vela, we are campaigning. Vela, we are victims, and I'm not gonna hide that. Why should I hide that? This thing of Moja Love now calling people, hey, are you also part of that group? I don't know what are these intimidation tactics now. People are calling people saying, no, don't, you still have a career. You know how many people have been abused by Moja Love because of that nonsense of saying you are going to ruin your career in the television industry, they will blacklist you, you will not get work and all of that stuff. There are many people who are sitting at home because of that nonsense, and they've been lied to, and then after that they threaten them to say and all of that stuff. I want to repeat, I signed a contract with Moja Love in March of 2024, right? And I made one episode, shot one episode. They kept quiet until August 2024. No, we can't find stories. We are struggling. The research team is struggling. Only to find out that they are busy shooting behind my back, Manyonyoba season 2 with Run to Me. It's true, most. That's what they did. Then after that, I get called to a meeting to say no. The episode that you shot, can you believe they call it a pilot? The episode that you shot was not looking good. Therefore, we decided that we are going to terminate you. However, this is what they like saying. However, if there's anything that can come, we will definitely call you. I'm waiting and I'm waiting and I'm waiting. It's now 2025 November. It's a full year. People are quiet. I keep calling, requesting, asking. Bolibuani, I keep sending messages. Aubrey, I send messages, I send emails. Everybody is ignoring us. And I'm not the only victim, guys. I'm not the only victim. There's a lot. Uningi. People are calling us. People are crying, you know. There is issues as Ningi at Moja Love. People are being fired left, right, and center. They leave them in the street. Then after a month, they call you, hey, come and work. Sometimes they even fire you today. Tomorrow they call you, come and work. Then you are fired by the executive producer. The producer calls you. Nagongo, you are fired by the producer. Then the CEO calls you. That place is a very toxic working environment. And maybe they are used to people who are desperate for money and people who are desperate for a job. Because Vela, we are all desperate. But I, for one, I've never taught myself to depend in the money of Moja Love. So therefore, I cannot want to wait. I cannot want to say I'm desperate. I'm not desperate. But however, I want justice to happen. There's a lot. Kuningi. The story of the girl that committed suicide after she did Mwana wa Tshwenya. We are still following on that story. There are things, atrocious things that have been happening. There's a lot of stories. Even with my show Manyonyoba, there are shocking things that were being done by the crew at Manyonyoba. And I was like shocked to see, but can't these people operate like this? I was like shocked. And now they start mistreating us. There is, man, these stories and stories, and people are coming out. People who appeared on different shows and they were never paid. They were promised money. We've got WhatsApp conversations between executive producers, between producers, sending people promises that we are going to pay you. Nothing. They were never paid. Me, I was never paid, you know, and they just get rid of you. There are people who are quiet because bayancenga ukuthi even if umuntu angaphandle uyancenga ukuthi maybe one day they will call me back, so uyathula for abuse. Come on, where are all these other presenters that had just disappeared? What do you think happened to them? Do you think they just left? Who will leave a job? Who will just disappear and leave a show? Don't you ask yourself ukuthi kwenzakaleni? And the toxicity at Moja Love is shocking. It's very shocking. It's unbelievable. So we're not going to keep quiet. I, for one, I'm not going to keep quiet when people disrespect me. I can't be a leader of a nation. I can't be a prominent leader in South Africa and then I'm going to be abused by Moja Love, mistreated. That is disrespect. Moja Love has got its own superstars who are running their own shows. And even those shows, we have stories of abuses and trackers put on people's cars. There's just yama issues, you know. And people call us now. If you have issues, inbox me. We will deal with that. We will deal with that. It cannot be that people are being abused. And I mean, as a leader of religion, I just keep quiet. It can't be. Especially now that I have evidence of it, they did it also to me. So if anybody comes and says Moja Love did this, I know, because guess what? I was there. I've experienced that. You sign a contract, you never go to work even one day. In the back, behind the scenes, they put somebody in, and then he's just doing things that are just out there. I want to repeat, if you people think I was a bad presenter on Manyonyo, write it in the comments, tell me, because I was removed from, and here's a letter Moja Love, Iketa is the one that fires people at Moja Love. The one that wrote me that letter. Here's a letter. Here's a copy of the contract. Here it is. And I will make them available on a live. I'm gonna go live on Sunday. And I'm gonna make them, I will show you on the screen and let you read for yourself about what's happening in this contract. Then you will know. Sunday, 7 o'clock, I'm going live. And I will show you what's going on there. Because it cannot be that we are abused. And some people, you know, there are some presenters, I won't mention their names, they abuse Moja Love. They behave like divas. If I don't get this, I'm not performing. If I don't get this, I'm not. And they are being worshipped. Tina, we are treated like rubbish. God, we are doing the same thing. I went and sat in jail because of Moja Love. And then they just come and chase me out like a rubbish just because a producer feels like they want to get rid of me because now they've got someone else who is, I don't know what is their relationship with that person. No, this is not gonna stop. So please make sure that Sunday night, 7 o'clock, this coming Sunday, you join me. I will tell you everything, and I'll bring other people. They're gonna be on my live. I'll bring them in. They will talk on their own so that you can hear the evidence. The abuse has to stop. Abantu bafile, ngwana batho committed suicide kwa. Moja Love does not care. No, man, guys, this has to stop. Sure.
Hello, South Africa. I'm greeting you. My name, I'm known by Jabula, while my boy name is Abram. way. Ngiyanibulisa everywhere la nikhona bantu abasekhaya. To all those to my friends. I'm here in South Africa to speak about myself, about my emotion, about I've been taken care. I'm here to say something, and I am here to think. Isingene endabeni. Let me get into the news, my darling. I'm here. I'm speaking about to the channel Calling Moja Love. I've been there maybe 8 years back. And bangiphethe kahle. Yes, somewhere there is consequences, but we end up fixing it. Even though when we need a meeting, they do accept us. Moja Love. Yes, sometimes ungakwata because of producers ukungazwani. Yes, kukhona lokho. But mina ukukhuluma iqiniso by my side, ithi ngithi ingiphethe kahle. And I've been saying I'm here to thank. I'm thanking it. I'm thanking it. Especially it helped me about like in these years, in these 10 years, my power is about Moja Love. Yes, it's my 10 years. So I won't say anything, South Africa. I'm just saying good night everywhere. I was here about thinking Moja Love. Yes, I'm famous Dapola about it. You know. You love me, I love you. Thank you, South Africa. That's what I want to say. Thank you.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do share this video, guys. I'm sure by now you might have seen the very trending story, very sad indeed, I have to say, story of Umdeni's Matlala Ntabeni, who has sadly passed away after it has been reported that she took her life, you guys. As a matter of fact, Nkanyezi, who is a very close friend and a fellow cast member of Umdeni, was the one to reveal to us on TikTok that Matlala Ntabeni has died and taken her life. I saw also Bishop Omoloyi, who is also a presenter of one of the shows on Moja Love, taking to his TikTok to reveal that indeed Matlala Ntabeni has passed away, you guys. And we have been seeing videos on TikTok, of course, shared by Matlala Ntabeni herself, trying to call Moja Love out and expose Moja Love for exploiting the cast members of Umdeni. Not only them, But a lot of people who work for the network, those people that we see on our screens, Matlalan Tabeni says that they are being exploited. You guys, we have seen multiple stories on TikTok whereby people come onto the station to expose Majalava for unfair treatment. You guys, all they care about is just views and making money, forgetting the people who work for them. Matlalan Tabeni has been very much vocal to a point where not only she but the rest, a few cast members of Umdeni, were on a mission to expose the network and demand what is due to them, because they believed that Mujalav owed them a lot. At this point, people were saying that they did not know the contract that they signed. They did not know what they had gotten themselves into. They just quick to rush to assign you guys. And sadly, after Umahlala Ntabeni came to TikTok to expose Mojalav, Dabula, very intoxicated Dabula. Matlala Ntabeni at the time said that she believes that Dabula was coerced, was forced to post that video saying that she is okay with the salary that she has been receiving from Mojalav, and that she was actually made by Mojalav, you guys, and said that she is okay, she's not being exploited. Very intoxicated, the video which I inserted, and she was very much intoxicated as she said that. Bishop Moloi also commented and responded saying that they definitely got to Dabula, who was intoxicated. Moloi Liena has also done quite multiple videos exposing Mojala for unfair treatment, saying of course Umatlalan Tabeni was being very, very fair. Onkanyezi also was there. She did a video which I inserted saying that Mojalav is definitely exploiting them, you guys. And just a few weeks ago, Umatlalan Tabeni, stated that she intends on going to a podcast where she will have a sit down to explain deep into what actually transpired, you guys. And I logged onto her profile to check those old videos of her exposing Mujalav. It seems like they have been deleted, you guys, and also the video that she posted with 2 cast members have been deleted off social media, you guys. And it seems like they might have, I saw the comments, someone alleging that the station might have forced them legally to remove those posts which are damaging the network, you guys. And just yesterday, we were saddened by the news of her passing on the 25th of December 2025, Christmas day, you guys. This is indeed a very sad week, you guys. What a sad week it had been. And people on social media are actually calling for justice for Unkanyezi, who left a note of her unalivement, which was shared by Unkanyezi there on TikTok, you guys. Unfortunately, it was not very much visible, but it is alleged that she wrote that her choosing to depart from this world was because of Mujalav. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. I am definitely sending out my deepest and sincere condolences to the family, her kids of course, and her fans. And let me just say that may her soul just rest in peace. Bye.